Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Tanay here, and today I'm going to be doing a comparison between the Fenty Body Lava and the Sol de Janeiro bronze body oil, well, bronze glow oil. So before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and keep watching. First, I'm going to kind of give you a description on the box of what it says for both the products. And for the Fenty Beauty Body Lava, it says silky sublime shimmer, dewy ultra lip finish, and yeah, so that's it. And I have it in the color brown sugar. And for the Sol de Janeiro, it just says leaves your skin iridescently soft and deliciously scented with their fragrance. So for body, gently blend all over. For face, use as highlight or mix with foundation. All right, so now let's look at the packaging. Oh my goodness, this is so freaking beautiful. Like, it just looks like a bronze goddess. Okay, so this has a kind of like a copper rose gold type of top, and it has a pump, and this is 3 fluid ounces. So 3 fluid ounces is pretty big. The Sol de Janeiro is 2.5 fluid ounce, and it's kind of looks almost similar, except the Fenty looks more kind of like luxury, but this is also pretty too. And this one does not have a pump. I'll put the price down below. I can't remember right now what I paid for each one, but I'll put their prices down below. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. I'm gonna start off with the Fenty Beauty, and I'm gonna be using this brush. I didn't buy the brush, but I already have a kabuki brush, so I'll just use this one. So I'm gonna use this one for the Fenty Beauty, and I'm gonna put it on this shoulder. So we're trying to do it like Rihanna, but it won't pump out for you. Okay, so that is 2 pumps. Now I'm just gonna take my brush and smells really, really good. That's a good thing. Okay, so looking at it, I can see a lot of gold flakes, like gold glitter. Right now, it just looks like it's gold glitter. It looks pretty. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna put it all over here, and I know a lot of people on other reviews that I watched said that this was really sticky when you put a lot on. So I did 2 pumps, and I'm trying to just blend it out to see if it will be sticky. So right now it is a little sticky. So I'm going to take a little bit more and put a little bit on my chest. And that wasn't even a whole pump. Probably a half pump. So yeah, it is, I can say that it is a little sticky. So I'm gonna see if that dries down a little bit, and I'm gonna start on the other side, and I just shook it up really well. For this side, I'm gonna use this black elf brush. Let's see, I'm not sure how to do this. I should come down. Okay, so that's that, and oh my goodness, this smells so good too. Okay, so oh my goodness, it smells so good. Okay, so this one looks like it's giving me more of a bronze look, while the Fenty Beauty looks like it's giving me more of a glittery look, which is still pretty for the summertime. But this one seems like it's giving me more of a bronze, and the sheen in both of them, like I can tell both of them, there's like light reflecting off of it, and then there's like little flecks in the Sol de Janeiro. So I'm gonna pour a little bit on my brush. And I'm gonna put that on my chest on this side. I will wear this every day because it smells so freaking good. And this one is not as sticky. I can still feel it, but it's not as sticky as the Fenty. Yeah, so the Fenty definitely, if you want more glitter and more gold, the Fenty will definitely give you a more like glittery look. I just want to add a little bit more of the Sol de Janeiro. Yeah, this is definitely more subtle. I don't even know if you'll be able to see it on camera, if it'll pick up, but all right, let's see if this is still sticky. Yeah, it is. It says still sticky. It's coming off on my fingers. I don't know if you can see that, but yes, there's glitter on my fingers. I wouldn't mind wearing the Fenty if I wore like something like this. Like this is a jumpsuit. So if I was wearing it like this, then that'd be fine. But if I'm going to be wearing clothes that's rubbing up against my skin, then no, I will not wear it. Unless it's maybe black. But the Sol de Janeiro one it dried down a little bit. So right here, my chest feels a little more sticky than where I put it on my arm. My arm still feels just a little sticky. I would probably wear this one if I am wearing something that's rubbing up against my skin. The Fenty one would be better like on the legs rather than on your arms and on your chest if you're going to be wearing something that is touching your skin. Okay, so I'm gonna So I don't know if you can see what I can see, but this is the Fenty. So this is the one that has more of the glitter gold flakes, and this is the Sol de Janeiro, and this one is a little more bronzy and more subtle. So I'm definitely feeling both of them, and both of them smell so good. Both of them looks good on my skin tone. Okay guys, so I really like both of them. I just feel like the Sol de Janeiro one is really subtle, and you have to be like really up on somebody to actually see it. So I'm gonna go outside and see if that makes a difference, and I'll probably record a video or take a picture outside to see the difference of both. And the Fenty one, I like it, but it is a little sticky. So I don't know which one I like better, because I like the look of this one, but it's sticky. And this one is not sticky, but it's real subtle. So I'll insert the videos and the pictures now, and you can decide which one you would prefer. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.